Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about on how to add receptacles, how to circuit them, and how to remove the circuit from those receptacles as well. And so first of all, we want to make sure we're using the right work set. As you can see, we're showing the power equipment. And I want to use the electrical work set for the electrical devices. So I'm going to change this to the electrical work set. Okay, so we have this office right here, and I'm going to add some receptacles to this particular small collaboration office. So the first thing is I will go to Systems, Device, Electrical Fixture, cancel. There's different receptacles in here. We have a normal, we have the GFCI, the countertop GFCI, a duplex receptacle, a duplex ceiling, a quad floors, receptacle quad wall, showing a countertop GFCI and a normal, and a special receptacle as well, depending on what you want to use. But for this office, we're going to be using a normal duplex receptacle. So I will click space to change the orientation of that duplex receptacle. I'm going to add 3 receptacles. So now I'm going to circuit them. But we do need to find where we need to circuit them to the closest panel, so that way the voltage drop is not significant, and the wire sizes is also uh, small. That way we don't need to use the wire size that are bigger, because it can be costly for the customer. So we do have a panel on the first level power plant A. We're going to use this RP8748 panel, and then B, which is on the other side right here. This is based on the scope box. This scope box is set depending on what area you want to see for that particular floor plan. So the collaboration room is on the B side. And this is the panel that we're going to be using. We have a couple spares that I can remove and I can add them. And we do have one right here that we will be using. We can, I can show you, you can use a spare, remove the spare. You can also use a space, depending on what you want to use for that particular panel. So I'm going to circuit those 3 duplex receptacles. And you also need to check the apparent power if it's showing. For a rule of thumb, for maximum duplex receptacles being 180, for apparent power is a maximum of 6 receptacles on a circuit. And That's one of the videos that I did previously where I talk about the electrical rules of thumb about receptacles, circuit sizing, and the side lighting and interior lighting that you guys can watch too about the rules of thumb for those receptacles or lighting that if you want to do more information you can watch that video. But for this purpose, for this video, I'm just going to show you how to circuit them. So I will click on one receptacle at the power. And like I said, I'm going to use that RP8748 panel. And then this one is already circuit, but I want to circuit the other one. So I will click on the edit circuit. And I will add the other three. There you go. Now I want to annotate them to show me the panel and the circuit number. So I will change that to panel circuit. Take out the leader. And you can use the comments. You can, depending on what, it's all based on families. And as if you have to add the panel, electrical fixture tags, you can make them, but that will be, I can show you guys how to make them, but that will be in another video where I can explain how to modify the families and how to add tags, REVIT. That way you can tag certain electrical device or certain electrical equipment. So you can provide power to those equipment and show them on your floor plans so the customer can see that particular electrical device with an electrical circuit and where is it being fed from. So for this instance, I'll show RP8748 and it's circuit number 5, and I'm going to tap the other two receptacles. And I will change this to panel circuit. Do the same thing for this one. Go to annotate. Cancel. And the panel circuit. Take out the leaders. Take out the leaders. Okay. So this is how I circuit receptacles, and I can change them. I can change this, for example, I can change it to a GFCI receptacle. I can change it to a countertop GFCI. And I can select all of them by clicking Control, multiple families, change that to GFCI. And I can also remove the circuit by clicking electrical circuit, edit, remove the circuits. Or if I want to add, if they have to be dedicated circuits, I will make this one 8745, and then I will make this other two with the circuit by themselves. So let me try this again. Edit circuit, add circuits, and I will go back to my panel. So you can see it says other, and I will usually type uh, the name of that specific office. 01 1063. That way, when they're looking for those receptacles, they know where to find them, on which office. 01, I will make it 01 1063 recept for receptacles. In another video, I'm going to show you how to size the wires and how to calculate for voltage drop. Revit gives you can help you with that too, but you can also double check your work. That is something important that we, as an electrical engineer or a designer, you have to be sure that you're using the right methods and the right calculations, because the field they're going to add those wires um, to that specific electrical device. So it is very important to add the wire sizes. And then also, and another thing is to create a panel schedules where we are showing the wires sizes as well, um, and how to balance them, how to balance a distribution panel. That's also very important. So, but for this video, this is a video on showing you how to uh, add and remove a circuit from receptacles. And it is very important to know whenever you're starting your design. Also, you have to follow the NEC code, certain guidelines on how or where to place some of those receptacles on certain areas. And well, thank you, and please subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. And like I said before, you can also look at my previous video that I did for electrical rules of thumb that can that will explain you the maximum receptacles on a circuit, the circuit sizing, and I talk about side lighting and interior lighting. Um, Thank you.